So what we have here is an example of polymorphism where the user can select what kind of person he wants to create. And you'll notice that that works just like expected. So we were able to write code here, real life code right here that actually works between two different objects that the user can select. We've effectively reduced a lot of code that we would normally have to write to get this exact behavior. Our virtual members only for methods, or you can set a variable as virtual and then change the getter, etc. Methods and properties can be virtual. For virtual, you can override, but you don't have to. You do not have to override a virtual member, no. Can employee.display inherit from person.display so that you only have to add the salary to it? Yeah, I'm going to go over a bit of syntax in a moment here that'll show a similar thing.